Welcome to Edsplore, where we make math easy to understand. Today, we're going to tackle the third question from exercise 1.1. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Let's dive right into it. First things first, there's an essential point to remember. Between any two rational numbers, there are an infinite number of rational numbers. So we've got that covered. Now, let's find those 5 specific rational numbers by finding a common denominator. To do that, we'll start by multiplying and dividing both fractions by 6. In this case, we can choose any number larger than 5 because we want to find at least 5 rational numbers. If we were to find 9 rational numbers, we would have multiplied and divided by any number greater than 9. This won't change the value of the fraction, but will help us find the numbers in between. When we do the math, 3 by 5 times 6 by 6 equals 18 by 30. So, we have the fraction 18 by 30 as our starting point. Similarly, 4 by 5 times 6 by 6 equals 24 by 30. This is our ending point. So, now we have our starting fraction, 18 by 30, and our ending fraction, 24 by 30. The 5 rational numbers between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30 are 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, and 23 by 30. And that's our solution. Remember, you can use this trick for any similar problems with different fractions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-understand math explanations. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.